In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the customized sales screen feature in SalesPlay POS to create a faster and more organized sales experience. By default, SalesPlay POS includes two main screen types, the standard page 1, which you can fully customize, and the default screen or grid icon page, which displays all products in alphabetical order. Now let's add products to a custom page. Step 1. Open the POS app. Step 2. Tap on page 1. Step 3. Tap and hold anywhere in the product grid until the plus icon appears. Tap the plus icon to open the product list and add your desired products to the custom page. You can add up to 20 products per page. And yes, the same product can appear on multiple custom pages if needed. Quick tip: try organizing pages by fast-moving items, special offers, or meal types like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To remove a product from a page, just tap the remove icon, X, next to the product. It'll instantly be removed. Let's move on to page management. To add a new custom page, tap the Add Page button. You can create up to 6 custom pages in total. To manage a page, tap the arrow icon next to the page name. This opens a drop-down menu. To rename the custom page, simply click Rename and enter your new page name, like Beverages, Fast Movers, or Dinner Deals. To reorder pages, tap the arrow icon next to the page name, select Move Left or Move Right to change the order of your pages. To delete a page, tap the arrow icon near the page name. Choose Delete from the drop-down. Confirm to remove the page completely. And here's something super important. Once you've made changes to products or pages, don't forget to tap Done to save everything. If you skip this step, your changes will be lost. Quick tip: the customized sales screen feature in SalesPlay POS is currently available only in landscape mode. If you're using portrait mode, you can use the favorite products option instead. And that's it. The customized sales screen in SalesPlay POS lets you personalize your sales layout to match your business flow, making it faster for staff and smoother for your customers. Try it out today and take control of your sales screen. See you in the next video. Happy selling!